it's too hard to get by month to month on the salary here.
And I want to show Allie and Stephanie your sign, Oklahoma.
Okay, come on. I went through puberty again, man. Back at the apartment now. We got back from the museum, and I just took a poll on my Instagram about that picture that I got yesterday, and most people thought it did look like me. So I guess I didn't get ripped off. I guess it was a good portrait. I guess I texted my family. They said it does look like me. So cool. I'll be hanging that in my bedroom. Now we're going to do the Empire State Building. We're going right to the top, to the 102nd floor. That's gonna be mental. We're gonna see it at night as well, so we're gonna get all the buildings being lit up. It's gonna be so awesome.